Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative and I am here with a project. So I have been diligently trying to kill off my paper pads. When I open a paper pad, I try to finish it as much as I can. Can't always do that, but when I can, I'm going to do that. So I had already showed that I had made that mini album with this Yours Truly paper pad by EchoPark with the slide closure. And matter of fact, let me just grab that so you can see. So this is what I'm talking about. I had made this with the same paper and I had some left over. So I was just trying to kill it. So I also had this old sticker set and I opened it up and used this one. And I had another ephemera set from, I got from AC Moore's. I forgot who company it was. It was Valentine's clearance. And I don't know who that one was from. But anyway, so, and these are just some of the ephemera pieces left from the paper collection that I had left over. Both the two different sets that I opened. The one that came with this set and the new one that I had opened up for Valentine's Day. And I used them on this. So I'm just going to show you a quick flip. And did I move the die? I think I moved the die that I used. Of course I did, so I'm going to do a video. Anyway, so I cut these using, when I showed a die set that I got from Hobby Lobby when they had the recent clearance. And I got these, the die set, and it had several sizes in it. And it was by, I believe it was Spellbinders. But anyway, so I made both sides, the tags double-sided so that I can use as much of the ephemera in the paper as possible. So I cut the tags out originally out of manila photos. And then I just used the paper on both sides of the tag. So it's 3 thick. So let me take them off and then I just put them back on. So you can kind of see each one of them. So, and this, I just started the back. This was from the other additional Valentine's Day paper pad, and I just punched out some of the paper and glued it up there, the ephemera. So I'm gonna start at the back. So this was the last tag that I made. Punches, and let's see. So on this one, one of the plastic paper clips, some gold thread, can't talk, punched out heart, ampersand, butterfly, some bling, doilies in the background, some puffy stickers, punched out confetti, which is a wedding ring. On this side, acetate heart, punched out a heart, punched out some leaves and a doily and some ribbon, punched out some flowers and layered it in a sticker, a bling sticker. So that's that side, and that's that side. The next one, that one says, this came from ephemera. Both of these did. It says, kiss the girl. In love with that. And made a little 2-inch envelope and a little feather and a little tag and put that little bling from the Dollar Tree. Some gold ribbon, some doily punches back here. Butterfly and some bling, Martha Stewart butterfly. Of course, everyone has a doily on it. The lips from the EK Success punch. When I hauled that one from the sale at Hobby Lobby. That's a punch. And of course some crepe paper and some ribbon. And a little heart up there. And I'm hoping in that frame because I'm not even looking. And then this is just another one. I used a little punch to make the little bow tie. So the acetate punch came in the little ephemera pack for Valentine's Day. So this is some of the ephemera, flower, heart, some more of that gold, and another piece there, and some bling. And this love is, I think I die cut that out maybe punch that one out because that's Teresa Collins. Punch this out maybe like 5 times to give it a little bit of depth there. Some bling, some gold. That's a calendar. Back in the back it says February. That's a diamond punch. That's a banner. And that is a dove. This one, just some wood ephemera, 2 hearts embossed right there. I don't know if you can see it, but that was one of the memento punches that I got from Hobby Lobby on clearance. And this is popped up, and that's a banner punch. And the word love was just already on that piece of paper. I just cut it out right there and put some bling and a heart and bling and a banner in the background. And again, they all have doilies on them. That was from a banner punch. And this is Mr. and Mrs. And all three of those punches I got in my Hobby Lobby clearance sale. And just some strips of paper in the background and some bling. Feels good when you use up some of your paper stuff. And that was another, just added a bow on it. So I really killed that paper pad. So it really feels good when you do that. And, you know, making some projects out of it. So this just some layering, banner, and some bling. That was one of the ephemera pieces. This was a tag. And then it punched a heart out back here. They all dimensional. And some flowers, heart, and some bling. And then on the back, butterfly and some bling, and this banner and the word and love, and some more bling. And again, there was a dimensional as well. This one, just put a little wood piece in the acetate one here with the tic-tac-toe, and had a red heart on it. I just put a wood heart over top of it, and a wood arrow at the bottom. That one, just the wood piece banner. Fussy cut that typewriter out, and it's a ticket, another ticket, some gold, and a doily, and an acetate arrow. So I'm just trying to use as much ephemera as well as much paper that I could to get, you know, as much out of it. Okay. That was another one. I just stuck that banner on top of it and that bow. And then this one, just some crepe paper down the side, made another little 2-inch envelope, put wood veneer there, staple those two pieces together, and put them on dimensions, and then a little, what do you call that, stamp right there, and some banners right there. And then on the back, I forgot to put some bling on that. And then this one, some little pieces, paper, plastic clip, some gold, some more crepe, fussy cut that out. Put some hearts up there from the Dollar Tree. And then the last one, acetate says you're red, some puffy stickers that came from that collection. And the XO came from the Valentine's Day collection. And that came from the paper collection, Valentine's collection. This says hello for one of my punches, and piece of the banner. And this popped up as well, both of those. So that's basically it. But like I said, I definitely killed that paper pad. So, and I have some pictures on Instagram of these as well. And I think using both sides of it, you know, really helped kill everything. So, but didn't make it for anybody in particular or anything in particular. Just wanted to use that up and have that, you know, I can give this away in a giveaway or something. So I just want to have something extra handy. But I just thought it was a neat way to use some of my new punches and to use up the rest of the paper pad and the ephemera that they had, because sometimes you have extra of all of that. And that is that. So thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. And guess what? I challenge you to do the same thing. Make a flip book with some of your extra leftover paper. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.